Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 2000 amp 0 to 18 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out at our facility here. As you can see, it is in great condition. We'll get that going for you in a second. Show you guys the nameplate really quick if you can see that. This is wired for 240 volts, 3-phase. Overall dimensions is gonna be 39 inches length, 28 inches width, 60 inches high. This is remote controlled and air cooled. I was just told this is partially filtered, as well as you can see the choke right there. We'll get that going for you right now. Great quiet running unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.